Hello friends, this video on redox reaction part 2 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching the video, please make sure that you have watched part 1. Let's talk about oxidation as addition of oxygen. So if you see in this case, magnesium plus oxygen gives MgO. These were a few reactions which scientists experimented to give this definition. For example, sulfur when react with oxygen gives SO. Also, if you see when the methane reacts with oxygen, you get CO2 and water. So when you see all these oxygen is added, right? So this historical definition, this is history, right? This historical definition came. Then the new definition, as I told, was removal of hydrogen. So there were so many reactions for this. If you see CH4, the hydrogen was removed. Here if you see H2S react with oxygen, the hydrogen was removed, right? Then they have this new definition, as I told, addition of electronegative element. So they have this equation, magnesium plus chlorine gives MgF2. Here F2 is the electronegative element, it got added, or chlorine is the electronegative added, it got added to magnesium to give MgCl. More reactions we can have, magnesium plus sulfur give MgS. This is also a electronegative element. And then the new definition, as I told, came was removal of electropositive element. If you see this reaction, in this reaction electropositive element is potassium. So if you see, it was K4, one potassium got removed and it became K3, right? This is one example of the definition which says that oxidation can also be removal of electropositive element, correct? Similarly for reduction, they had this process. Reduction is nothing but the opposite of oxidation. So it was addition of electropositive element. So if you see, oxidation was what? Oxidation was adding of oxygen. If you don't remember thing, just remember oxidation is nothing but the old definition, addition of oxygen. Oxygen is what? Electronegative element, correct? So if addition of electronegative is nothing but removal of electropositive, correct? This is my definition of oxidation. Similarly for reduction, just flip this. So it will become, this is addition of electronegative, so it will be removal of electronegative. This is removal of electropositive. This will be addition of electropositive, correct? So this one says reduction is addition of electropositive element. This one, this is a good example for this. Hydrogen is the electropositive element. You add to ethane, it becomes ethane, correct? You see, hydrogen is added, one here, so it becomes CH3CH3. The next example can be this one, HgCl2 plus SnCl2 gives Hg2Cl2. Here if you see, here Hg is added, so it becomes Hg2, correct? So here this guy is my reduced, and if you see, this guy is oxidized, because in Sn it was 2 chlorine becomes 4 chlorine. Chlorine is the electronegative element. Addition of electronegative element is what? Oxidation. So this became my oxidation. And that's what scientists observe, that in a reaction, if oxidation takes place, reduction also takes place. We'll take some examples on that. So if you see, reduction also we told is nothing but removal of electronegative element. This is the example of this. So I have HgO. So this split, it becomes Hg plus O. So if you see, oxygen was the electronegative element and it got removed from Hg. One more example you can have FeCl3. So I have, if you see, 3 chlorine ion, it becomes 2 chlorine ion. So 1 chlorine ion, chlorine is nothing but electronegative element, it got removed. So this is my reduction. So this is my reduction. And if you see here, in this reaction, hydrogen, a chlorine is added. So addition of electronegative element is what? Oxidation. So if you see in this case, my iron got reduced, sorry, FeCl3 got reduced and H2 got oxidized, right? So if you see in the same reaction, one got oxidized, one got reduced. So and this kind of reaction is called redox reaction, where one compound or element is oxidized, and the other is reduced. Let's take some examples. So in this reaction, we have to identify the species that undergoes oxidation and reduction. So we have 3 reactions. So let's start with the first reaction. So you have H2S plus Cl2 gives 2HCl and S. So let me remember, oxidation was what? Oxidation is nothing but addition of oxygen, that is nothing but electronegative. This is one statement. Or removal of this electronegative, this becomes electropositive. So this is my definition of oxidation, right? So numerative is oxidation means addition of oxygen. Oxygen is what? Electronegative. So that is nothing but addition of electronegative element. If it is addition of electronegative element, that also means removal of electropositive element. This is my oxidation definition. Reduction is almost or just opposite of this. So let's start with this. In this case, H2S plus Cl2 gives 2HCl and S. So what happened to here? H2S became S. So if you see here, so hydrogen is removed. Hydrogen is what? Hydrogen is electropositive element. So if hydrogen is removed, that means this guy got oxidized. So my H2S got oxidized. Correct. Let's talk about Cl2. In Cl2, hydrogen is added. Addition of electropositive element. So removal of electropositive element is oxidation. So addition of electropositive element is what? Reduction. So Cl2 got reduced. Hope you understand this. Let me do once again. H2S, hydrogen got removed, becomes S. Correct. So it became S. Hydrogen got removed, that is removal of electropositive element, it is oxidation. For Cl2, we added hydrogen. Instead of removing, we added hydrogen. So addition of hydrogen, that is addition of electropositive element, is what? Reduction. Right? Just opposite of oxidation. This is my reduction. So let's take second now. So we have Fe3O4. Fe3O4 becomes Fe. That is oxygen is removed. Correct? Oxygen is removed is what? Oxygen is what? Electronegative element. So removal of electronegative is what? So removal of electropositive is oxidation. So removal of electronegative is what? Reduction. So Fe3O4 is what? Reduced. So if Fe3O4 is reduced, Al has to be oxidized. But let's do a double compound. Aluminium becomes Al2O3. That is addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen is nothing but addition of electronegative element. Addition of electronegative element is what? Oxidation. So this guy is oxidized. Correct. Let's take this. This is critical. Na plus H2 becomes NaH. So with the current definition, it looks like sodium we add hydrogen, and hydrogen is what? Electropositive element. So addition of electropositive element is what? Reduction. So with the current definition, it looks like sodium is reduced. But that is not the case. Please note. So with the current definition which we have learned till now, that says oxidation is nothing but addition of electronegative element and removal of electropositive element. With that, we are not talking about electron transfer now. Just with this definition, it looks like sodium got reduced and hydrogen got oxidized. But that is not the case. If you see, it was sodium, it became Na plus. And it gave electron. So we one more definition, I told that oxidation has nothing but loss of electron. So with this definition, sodium is oxidized. And that's why we don't trust the definition of addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. These definitions are pretty old, right? So we'll focus more on the electron transfer definitions. Correct? So now we'll try to understand the redox reaction in terms of electron transfer. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.